Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Students, we are continuing with 8th chapter of business studies of class 11, and today we are going to discuss three topics: intellectual property rights, small business, and what is the role of small business in growing an economy. So let's begin with first topic, that is intellectual property right. Intellectual property system can be critically in helping new ventures transform their innovations potential and creativity into market value and competitiveness. Intellectual property right, popularly known as IPR, allows innovative entrepreneurs to protect their innovations, discoveries. It also gives an edge over young competitors. So, IPR gives an edge over your competitor and help you to become a leader in your field. Intellectual property right include copyright, patent, and trademarks. Now, what is a small business? Any enterprise which employs not more than 50% when using power and 100 when not using power, and with capital asset not exceeding 5 lakh is defined under IDRA Act 1951. IDRA stands for Industries Development and Regulation Act. Later on, in 1959, in 1960s, 66, 75, 80s and 90s, the definition was revised from time to time. MSMED Act 2006 also described the enterprise on micro, small and medium basis. Now, what is the role of small business in rural India? Small scale industries provide the following benefits to the rural area. Let's begin with employment. Small scale industries are labor intensive, so they provide additional employment to men and women. Next to agricultural, small business constitutes the most popular occupation of people of India. Improves economic condition. By providing employment opportunities, the small scale industries provide more income to people living in rural areas, where as economic condition in village gets improved or enhanced. Promotion of artistic and creative sense. Some small business industries which are set up in rural area provide scope for the promotion of artistic achievements and creativity that has been suppressed in the rural area nowadays. Rural development. Small scale industries set up in rural areas leads to their development, which may result in rural reconstruction, sustained growth and removal of regional disparities. Mobilization of local resources. Small scale industries facilitates mobilizations and utilizations of local resources which might otherwise remain unutilized. This helps in tapping resources like entrepreneur skill and small saving, especially in rural areas. Keeping in view the contribution of SSI to employment generation, balanced regional growth and promotion of export, the Government of India has informed various policies and offered various incentives and benefits for the growth and promotion of SSI business at center as well as state level. The government assistance are translated into action through various agencies, departments and corporation. According to MSMED Act 2006, manufacturing enterprise up to 25 lakhs comes under micro, 25 to 5 crore comes under small, and above 5 crores to 10 crore comes under medium. Talking to service enterprise up to 10 lakhs, it comes under micro. From 10 lakhs to 2 crores, it comes under small. And from 2 crores to 5 crores, it comes under the medium. So, these were the new classification of MSMED Act 2006, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Act which distinguished manufacturing and service enterprises. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.